Hi, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you a crispy baked chicken recipe. You will need a baking pan, parchment paper, tongs, paper towels, 2 large bowls, and an oven. The ingredients are 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, salt, pepper, garlic powder, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 2 cups of finely crushed Rice Krispies cereal. Start by washing the chicken breast and pat dry with paper towels. Place the parchment paper in the baking pan. Rub the chicken with the garlic, salt, and pepper. Pour the buttermilk in a bowl and put the crispy cereal in another bowl. Dip the chicken pieces in the buttermilk. Now coat the chicken with the cereal. Place the chicken on the parchment paper. Set the oven temperature to 350 degrees. Put the chicken in the oven and bake for 35 minutes. Take the chicken out and serve. And that is a crispy baked chicken recipe.